Hello friends, my name is Bhavesh and in this video we are going to learn how to install the code blocks in our PC and learn the C program language or C++ language or Fortran. You may learn anything, but in our course we will use the code blocks to learn the C programming language. So go to the Google Chrome, search code block. You will find out the first link, go on that. It is used for learn to C, C++ and Fortran. Go to download. You will see the various links. Our useful link is download the binary release. Go on that. Check out the software, that is CodeBlocks 17. At that time you are watching this video, maybe CodeBlocks 18 will be releases, but go on mingw setup.exe because it have compiler also. If you download just a setups.exe, it does not contain a compiler, so you have some problem running the program to download this. Next step, go on your Chrome, go to download. Where is that code blocks? Yes, go on that, click on that, then you will find out this screen will pop up. Give them the permission, then yes, I agree. If you have time, then read all this. Next, I want to change the path. It is not essential that you also have to change it. Let me fast forward this. Okay, now yes, finish. Then you will find out the code blocks like this. Now go on, create a new project. Click on that, you will find out the various options to start with. Then go to the console application. Click on that. Don't skip this. Then go to the next page. Select your language, that is C or C++. Project title name. If you want to change the path of it, then give it. I have given the path that E in CP file. Then click on next. No need to change in this setting. Click on finish. You will find out something like this: hello source. Click on source. You will get the mains.c. This is our first program that will print the hello world in it. Now run that program. You will find out the result of it. That is, it will print the hello world.